How do you engineer an experience? When you strip away everything weighing you down, holding you back, you begin to float away, weightless, hovering. This is the hoverboard, the essence of pure motion captured, refined, and reinvented. The hoverboard translates your will into motion. A single point of contact with the ground minimizes friction and frees your movement from a linear path. Inside, precision sensors and electronics smooth and stabilize your ride, gently accelerating in whichever direction you lean. The controls are intuitive. Gently apply pressure to one end of the board to accelerate. Lean gently to one side or the other to turn in that direction. When you stop, you can set the board down on its side to dismount. The electric motor powers a top speed of 20 miles per hour, perfectly balancing safety with efficiency at every turn.
In my first company, I had to figure out some way to pack all of the control electronics and the drive electronics into the motor itself. I succeeded in doing that, and we called the product the Smart Motor. That really poised me perfectly for making the ultimate personal electric vehicle.
The hoverboard moves you, but it's also a part of you, with endless personalization options to make your hoverboard a perfect fit for you. Built-in speakers pair with your smartphone, giving you the perfect soundtrack for your daily commute or weekend joyride. Onboard lighting gives you visibility at night, letting you ride a cloud of light to your destination. The hoverboard is perfectly balanced in both form and function. It's fully electronic, whisper quiet, and amazingly efficient. The high-capacity battery takes you 15 to 20 miles on a single charge. And the best part, it's not just an idea. We are riding the experience today.
The thing that sets the hoverboard apart is that it really does take skill to operate. It's an earned experience. You have to get in touch with the nuances of the hoverboard, and once you do, the reward is a gliding, kind of willful experience that carries you where you want to go.
The hoverboard is the ultimate form in a new class of electronic transportation, connecting us to our world in a way we've never experienced before.
As of this moment that we're shooting this video, there are only 6 people on the planet that can ride a hoverboard. We all have one thing in common: we cannot stop riding it. So we want to find out how many other people share our passion for the hoverboard. And we've set up our Kickstarter reward tiers to reward those people the most who sign up first. So if you're as passionate about hoverboard as we are, back us on Kickstarter and join us in taking your first step into the future.
Hey, I'm David.
And I'm Eric.
And 3 years ago, we came to you, to Kickstarter, and told you about our dream to make a low-cost underwater robot.
We wanted to make underwater exploration accessible to everybody.
A lot has happened in the past 3 years. We've shipped thousands of these robots to 50 countries, every continent. And most importantly, we've built this community of people who are obsessed with pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
So for the last 3 years, we've been working on how to make underwater exploration tools the right way. And what we've come up with is something we are extremely excited to announce.
This is the Trident.
At OpenROV, we believe that exploration is not just about gathering data, but also about experiencing new worlds in a new way. We've designed Trident to be extremely fun to fly.
Most ROVs, they move up and down slowly. They go left and right, forward and reverse. Trident is nothing like that. It flies like an airplane. It speeds along, you can bank, you can dive. It's fun to fly. It goes fast when you want it to, but it can slow down and be precise when you have something you want to inspect.
Getting video from underwater has always been a challenge because radio waves don't travel through water. So we've developed a very lightweight, neutrally buoyant tether, which communicates the video feed from the ROV up to the surface. That attaches to a wireless buoy, which allows you to control the ROV from any Wi-Fi connected device.
Like a tablet, a laptop, or even a VR device like an Oculus Rift or a Google Cardboard. We wanted an ROV that could go to places that no ROV had been before. So we designed it to be ultra portable, whether you're hiking to high alpine lakes or you're bringing this as carry-on luggage. It goes wherever you go.
Most ROVs are designed to look in specific places where you already know where the target is, but we've realized that a lot of people want to explore with an ROV. We've designed Trident to be extremely hydrodynamic and excellent at going in long, straight lines. This allows you to do lawnmower patterns, being able to broadly explore a place that you've never seen before and find out what's there.
We've seen community members take this model and create 3D visualizations of the seafloor.
Using technologies like photogrammetry and structure from motion, we hope that we can help create maps of the underwater world that will allow us to see it in a completely new light.
I joined this project when it was the initial Kickstarter, and I did it because it was going to be a chance to take this hardware, these robots, and I was going to be able to use my software skills to actually program them and have them do stuff underwater. I've been using that to build a platform now that lets other software geeks like myself contribute and help programmers to find ways to control robots. We've made a plug-in architecture that allows you to add your own components, add new sensors, new technology to an ROV after it's already been developed and out in the field. The OpenROV software, it's bigger than any single ROV. It's opening the door to services and technologies that we're just now scratching the surface on. From mapping to autonomous computer control to imaging reefs and underwater shipwrecks in 3D. We're going to be able to send this data and utilize cloud computing, mesh networking, and all kinds of future technologies to make it available to everybody.
So whether you're a fisherman, a researcher, a recreational boater, or just someone who's curious about what's below the surface, this is the tool for you.
So here we are. We've spent the last 4 years developing underwater robots, and we've never been more excited about the project we have now.
To get to the next level, to bring Trident to life, we need your help. So check out the reward levels, let us know what you think, and together, let's build the future of underwater exploration.
Thank you.
What did we think the future would look like 10 years ago? We thought there would be a way to save up our time and excel at multitasking. We thought the way we get things done would change, get smarter, more efficient and economic. It did. Introducing DoBot, the first affordable robotic arm created not only for makers. DoBot is a great assistant for educators, designers, artists, and scientists, and even everyday use. For makers, it's a unique product of its kind that allows you to study robotic technology and coding. It will provide endless opportunities when it goes fully open sourced. We created software for DoBot where all users will be able to write their own commands, upload them to the server, and share with other users, creating a database of a limitless variety of DoBot applications. The new 4-axis dimension movement capability allows DoBot to use a lot less desk space for its performance. We took the best from the industrial robots, keeping their high quality, and added a number of innovative improvements. We created the new code, allowing it to operate at never-before precision and multifunctionality. With an exceptional aluminum alloy fusion, we achieved the best possible durability and lightweight of the components. Numerous small details, along with 5 changeable nozzles for different types of performance, allow DoBot to be more precise and more agile than any other robotic arms of this generation.
Go left.
Let's take a closer look at how it works. We developed an app that helps you to remote control it using Bluetooth. It can be operated with a PC. Just use a downloaded command from the global DoBot server or write your own. It can be controlled with gesture motion, equipping 3 sensors that track your hand movement. Using the microphone in your phone, you can now input commands with your voice. DoBot is able to recognize shapes and colors with a portable web camera. But it doesn't end there. You can download and share new codes for different kinds of item recognition. You can also control it using the leap motion that can register your hand movement as you hover your hand over the sensor. We managed to apply a revolutionary technology of mind control, EEG, which allows you to operate DoBot with your concentration. It happened. DoBot, a robot for everyone and everyday use.
Have you noticed something about electric bicycles? They all have motors. There are hub motors and mid-drive motors and motors integrated into the frame, which all make pedaling easier. But have you also noticed that they virtually all have seats half the size of yours and frames that force you to lean forward, causing pain on many body parts? Some have space-age styling, some have cloud technology, some have a big name behind them, some are lightweight, some will save the planet, some are stylish, some fold, and some will help you make a statement. But have you noticed? No one, and I mean no one, talks about how amazingly comfortable their seat is, or how perfectly their backrest supports your lower back, or how you don't have to lean forward anymore to reach the handlebars, or how easy it is to put your feet on the ground to eliminate falls, or how their bike reduces and even eliminates pain in your wrists, neck, low back, or crotch, or how the lower center of gravity delivers superior cornering and braking, or how the low step-over bar and seat make entering and exiting the cockpit a breeze. Yes, every electric bicycle has brakes and tires and a motor for getting you there more easily. But Day 6 is the only bicycle company whose focus is on you. Because, really, what good are the best motor and battery in the world if the bike is not comfortable and safe? By the way, we have hub motors and mid-drive motors and high-tech motors. We also have a variety of lithium batteries to choose from, and all from leading suppliers in the industry. We believe we have the most comfortable upright bicycles ever made, and now for a limited time you can get special pricing through Kickstarter on our outstanding electric bicycles. Everyone says that they have the best electric bicycle, but look closely and then look at Day 6 bicycles. One ride and your eyes will be opened.
Starfish is an underwater quadradiver robot that can search, grapple, and retrieve objects from up to 300 feet below the surface. Starfish can be used to explore the underwater realm, retrieve items lost overboard from your boat, and even anchor a boat to an underwater mooring. Starfish is controlled using a standard tablet with the USB or Bluetooth for communications. It has positive buoyancy and therefore can be deployed on the surface of the water while the system is made ready for use. The four thrusters operate in the same manner as those found on Starfish's airborne cousins, the quadricopter, allowing the unit to maneuver and hover underwater. An onboard camera feeds video to the tablet, and the simple tilt of the tablet will maneuver Starfish in the desired direction. Unlike airborne quadricopters, the Starfish umbilical allows unlimited search time down to 300 feet below the surface, something amateur scuba divers cannot easily achieve. After grappling an object, the umbilical is wound in by hand or other means to retrieve the sunken treasure. Starfish is the brainchild of the designers at ShearTech, a small 4-person industrial animation and design company based in Sarnia, Ontario, Canada.
Imagine a world where you don't have to export your trash and you don't have to import your food. Imagine a truly organic cycle where uneaten food returns energy and fertilizer to the earth. Imagine saving money, imagine food and energy security for everyone.
Hi, my name is Jan Allen. I'm the founder of Impact Bioenergy. We have invented a beautiful piece of machinery that is both portable and simple.
Over the past year, we've been quietly working on the vision and design of the horse, a compact, clean, and awesome-looking machine to upcycle organic waste at its source.
The horse consumes 25 tons a year of food waste, paper products, fats, beverages, and grass clippings. It produces 5,400 gallons a year of fertilizer and 37 megawatt hours of raw energy. It makes 4.3 megawatt hours of electricity. That's a total of 125 million BTUs of renewable energy. We've designed the horse to serve about 50 people or less. It's about the size of a car and it costs about what a car would cost. This is a way for individuals to own their own energy and food cycles. It can be installed at a restaurant, at a grocery store, casino. It's mobile, so it can go to farmers markets, and it can ideally be put at schools and campuses for educational opportunities.
We don't have a big venture capital partner to industrialize this technology. We want bioenergy to propagate at the grassroots level.
We need thinkers, doers, zealots, leaders, and early adopters to help bring this project to reality.
Our crowdfunding goal is to raise enough money to get at least 2 horses on the ground and running in the Seattle area.
Check out the pledge levels on the webpage. They're progressive, starting with simple pledges going all the way up to owning a horse of your own.
Every dollar raised with this project will go to building a network of off-grid micropower generators fueled by food scraps.
Thanks for listening. We want you to be part of the horse project.